Another good news coming in. The TS PolySet 2021 for students who have passed 10th class and want to take admission in Polytechnic Diploma courses has been released, and the details of this will be provided in this video. So please continue watching till the end. So this circular was issued by State Board of Technical Education and Training, Telangana, Hyderabad. Now State Board of Technical Education and Training, short form is SBTET. This board is responsible for conducting diploma examinations and all diploma courses. So PolySet 2021 entrance examination for admission into diploma courses in engineering, that is Polytechnic, Agriculture and Animal Husbandry and Fisheries, will be conducted on 12th June 2021. This is the date of the exam, 12th June 2021. Throughout the Telangana state, the exam will be conducted as per the SSC topics in syllabus for the academic year 2020 to 2021. So whatever topics you had in your SSC class 10th, those will be coming in that exam. For which year? For 2020 to 2021. Which topics you had, that will be coming. In mathematics and physical sciences subjects for engineering. Diploma courses offered by SBTET Hyderabad. So maths and physical science you will have in for those students who are opting for engineering. Whereas exam will be conducted for agriculture diploma courses offered by PJSPSAU and animal husbandry and fishery diploma courses offered by PV Narasimha Rao Telangana Veterinary University, Hyderabad in mathematics, physical sciences and biological subjects as per the below tentative schedule. That is, for students who are opting for diploma in engineering, they will just have mathematics and physical science syllabus. For those students who are opting for agriculture diploma courses, animal husbandry and fishery diploma courses, they will have also biology syllabus for PolySet 2021 entrance exam apart from mathematics and physics. Let us see the details of the commencement of online registration of PolySet 2021. The online registration for PolySet 2021 exam will start on 1st May 2021 and last date for online registration without late fee is 22nd May 2021. You have a time limit of 22 days for applying for this PolySet exam. Last day for online registration with late fees of ₹100 is 24th May 2021. Last day for Tatkal online registration with late fee of ₹300 is 25th May 2021. And already we discussed that the date of PolySet 2021 exam will be on 12th June and the result will be declared on 24th June. Candidates can apply for this examination through online mode, that is www.polysets.nic.in or visit sbtet.telangana.government.in. This is the official website of SBTET. So this has been signed by the Secretary of SBTET. So this website link I'll also forward in the description. You all can go watch and go through the details. One more thing I want to clarify here is that for sure PolySet examination will be conducted, because last year in spite of peak cases we saw that there were exams. I went as an invigilator to the PolySet exam, so I know for sure that this year also even though Corona is there, we will have PolySet exam. So start preparing. So this is a syllabus for PolySet 2021 as per SSC 2021 syllabus. In mathematics, chapter real numbers, we have division algorithm, Euclid's algorithm, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, rational numbers and the decimal expansions, irrational numbers, logarithms. Mathematics, sets, roster form, set builder form, empty set, universal set, subset, basic operation on sets, Venn diagrams, equal sets, finite and infinite set, cardinality of a finite set. Mathematics, polynomials, degree, zero, value of a polynomial, graphical representation of quadratic polynomial, relationship between zeros and coefficients of polynomial. That is, whatever syllabus is deleted, that is not being asked in your PolySet 2021 exam. You people are very lucky. Only the syllabus which is there, that is only asked. No deleted syllabus is being asked. So if you want to see whatever syllabus is deleted, I have a video on my channel, deleted syllabus of maths, physics and bio. You can go watch and only study those syllabus which is there for the exam. Mathematics again, pair of linear equations in two variables, graphical method, relationship, substitution method, elimination. Mathematics, quadratic equations, solution by factorization, nature of roots. Then you have progressions, you have coordinate geometry, similar triangles, tangent secants to a circle. I'm not going in detail through all of them, you can just go and see. You all know that in mathematics only some parts of the topics were deleted, so those topics are not here in this table and others are there. The PDF form of this link also I will forward. So there are totally 14 chapters in mathematics for you all. And then in chemistry you will have chemical equation, acids, base and salt, structure of atom, classification of elements, principles of metallurgy. So there are totally 5 chapters in chemistry for you all. In physics you will have reflection of light at curved surfaces, refraction of light at curved surfaces, human eye and the colorful world, electric current. So totally 4 chapters in physics and 5 chapters in chemistry. And those students who are opting for agriculture and veterinary services, they have to also have bio exam. So in bio you will have nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, coordination, reproduction, heredity and evolution. That's it. That is 7 chapters you will have in bio. We all know 7 chapters were there in bio for SSC exam 2021. So don't think that even though your SSC exam 2021 has been cancelled, this entrance exam will be cancelled. Those students only will get admission into diploma colleges, those who have passed and cleared this Polycet examination 2021. And if you pass with good rank, then you can also get scholarship. So all the best. If you want any help, you can comment below, and also please like this video if you found this information helpful. Please share this information with your friends and please subscribe to this channel. On our channel we have very effective and easy way of formulas which are being displayed right now. You can go watch and learn and study from them. May God bless you all the very best once again. Like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon.